Uh, Good morning, guys. I'm here in my room again, and I'm going to present to you the first retraining for our dog, a pure Labrador dog, here in the state of Texas. Everybody is welcome to visit and watch my channel here in the United States, in the Philippines, in Taiwan, in Singapore, all over these Filipino workers, in Qatar, in Syria, wherever the Philippines are living there as an overseas Filipino workers, you are highly welcome to my channel. Okay? So even the Americans are welcome here. Okay? We give priority to all those people watching our channel, most especially when it comes to dog training. Our topic for today, first retraining for our Labrador dog, is how to pay attention. Kung paano po natin silang hikayatin na manood po o we need the dog to ask them to make an eye-to-eye contact. That is very important, eye-to-eye contact. When he tried to look at you, an eye-to-eye contact, that's the time that you can make all the commands because hindi po nila alam ang ating language, whether it is English, Tagalog, Chinese, or whatever. So, kailangan po natin to have an eye-to-eye contact before obedience. Okay? So, all of these are retrained for our Labrador because kasi po, nung nakalabas po to sa bahay, ang bilis yung tumakbo sa labas. May kayote. Baka kanin siya. Hindi ko pa siya natuturuan ng combat training. Kaya baka matalo siya doon sa kayote. Pag natuto na siya noon, ay sigurado, baka mapatay niya yung kayote. Marami ho yan kasi breeding season na ngayon dito sa Amerika ang kayote. Yung parang wolf, yan. Kailangan nung ng training. Ang mga German Shepherd, kaya niyang talurin ng kayote. Kasi because of their training. Training is the most important because we have here the man best friend, the dog. And one of the popular dogs in here in America is the Labrador, pure Labrador. Okay? So watch this video and I hope you always subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this to other people. So matuto po naman po yung mga ibang Pilipino na mag-alaga ng aso. Kung marunong na, maraming salamat po. This is only a retraining. Okay? See you soon in my next vlog. Okay? Hey, Gucci, I have a treat for you. Okay, here. Gucci, here. 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 Okay. Okay. Here. Sit. Sit. Okay. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, here. 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 Sit. Sit. Look at me. Here. Gucci. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Gucci. Okay. Here. Get my attention. You have to get my attention. Okay. You always look at Lolo. Here. 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 Down. 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 Very good boy. Okay. Look at the eyes. Look here. 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 Look. Look at Lolo. Look at Lolo. Here. 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 Kailangan po makuha natin yung attention niya. Yung titingin siya sa mata natin. Eye-to-eye contact. Here. 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 Look. Here. Here. Look. Look here. My eyes. Sit down. 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 Now look at my eyes. Here. 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 Very good boy. Okay. See, I have my many trick for you. Okay. Here. Here. Look. Look at my eyes. Sit down. Here. 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 Okay. Here. 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 There. There. Here. Here. Okay. Here. Here. Very good boy. Very good boy. Okay. Here. Another one. Another one. Here. 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 Down. 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 I want you to go down. Down. Good shit. Come on, come on, come on. Down, down. Here, here. Here, come on. Good, good, good boy. Here, I got so many. Here. Okay, here. Medyo dami-damihan natin ang treat. At rin yung ka-treat ko. Yan. Yan. Yan lang ho mga kapira-kapiraso. Here. Down, down. You very good boy. Good boy, reward. Ayan. Pag sumunod ho siya, reward natin. Okay. Down. Okay. Look at my eyes. Yeah, that's it. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. You good, huh? Yeah, nakuha niya na yung attention niya. Nakuha ko na attention niya. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ho natin na pagbibigay ng treat. Para hanggang sa masanay na siya. Okay? Good see. Sit. 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 Good see. Sit. Okay. You down. Okay, that's good. That's more better. That's what I want. Okay? Here, look at my eyes. Here. Tapos pa, medyo hingahan nyo. Ayan. Down, 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 down. Hindi ho nyo makukuha yan sa isang araw na perfect. Yung mga nagkikriticize, hindi ho ito ay tinuturuan. Kaya, don't expect too much. Okay? You have to do it every day, maybe even for a month. Okay? Okay. Sit down, sit down. Down, down. Hindi po sila nakakaintindi ng language natin. Only one term at a time. Only one word that it could easily memorize. Kasi 300 words lang yata ang alam niya eh. Yun ang kanyang memory, parang computer. Ito. Very good boy. Yeah, yeah. Very good boy. Good boy. Now, here. Down. Down. See? Kita nyo? Here. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. No, my eyes. Good see? Look. Here, look at my eyes. Huwag yung papaluin, no? Don't spank. Okay. That's cruelty to animal. And it is by law. Okay. Down. Very good, boy. Very good. And shut up. Ito po ay man best friend. Yan. Okay. Okay. Here. Marami hong beses na training to. Here. Down. 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 Here. I got. Okay. Here. Where's the food? Where's the treat? Over there. Because I have it too. Yeah, that's it. Good boy. Yan. Pag ginawa ko niya, treat, bigyan niyo siya ng reward. Ito po reward namin, no? Now, sit. 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 Yeah. That's what I want. You look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Here. Good shit. Here. Come on here. Here. Okay, you got it. So, this is only our first day. Tomorrow, ulitin ko po uli yan. Sana, we should have to be patient with our dog. Kasi, maaaring mamatay siya. Maaksidente, masagasaan. Yun po importante. Kasi ito po ay pure labrador. Pure labrador po ito. Okay. Susunod po ulit, wag na pong para ma-practice din nyo yung mga aso nyo dyan sa Pilipinas at maging dito sa Amerika. Sa mga Pilipino. Mahal namin itong asong to. Masyado siyang seloso. Okay. Stay. Back up. Okay. Here. Say goodbye. Say till next time. Come on, say till next time. Okay. Nanyayahan po kayong manood ulit sa susunod na lesson ng aming dog training. Marami po salamat. Sana wag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe, mag-like, at mag-comment. Okay? Okay. Salamat po.